push the water towards to your tummy. Where's your tummy? Here. From here, push the water or pull the water towards to your tummy. Put the water. Imaginary, you pick the apple here and put the apple to your basket. The basket is in your
tummy.
very good. Okay? Come here. You're going to count the apples, how many apples that you get, and put it to the basket. The area of yours. Here, what's this? Very good. Okay, okay. Ready? Are you ready to kick?
Yay!
And make it plus, kick it hard. Okay, ready? Kick. Go. Paddle your hands. Pick the apple, left and right. Pick
Yay!
the apple, put it to your tummy. Go. Kick. Go. 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 Where's the apple? Don't get the apple. You forgot to get the apple and put it to your... What? Very good. But this time, you have to use your hand and kick it fast. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Okay. This time you have to use your hands to paddle, putting the apple to your... Okay, and kick at the back. Okay? Okay, ready? Are you ready how to kick? You know already how to kick? Okay, and paddle your hands. Come on, go!
Kick!
Kick, plus the water.
Wow!
No, don't stop. You have to make paddle your hands. Bend your elbow. Okay?
Yeah.
Put the apple in.
Naligayahan naman ako.
Kick. Why you go to stop?
Come on, go to Kuya! Kick! Come on, kick!
You know already how to kick, right? Okay, go. Very good. Go. 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 Finish plus the water. Go.